We're back with your favourite game. It's the close-up coins game. 5 images here. And I haven't gone easy on you. All you need to do is comment the 5 commemorative coin designs in the comments section. There may well be a definitive in here, but you'll find it, I'm sure. Get your 5 coins in the comments. Again, a huge shout out. If you have been lucky enough to get all 5 of these correct, you'll find out in the results video that goes up on Sunday. We're going to get the Andon Star back out for the next round to make it nearly impossible. Only once have I won. I'm sure some of you are saying this is probably too easy. So we'll definitely try and make it a little bit harder in the next one. Again, if you've got any coin questions, queries, if you want to get your valuation of your coin, let us know as well. I'll hunt down those comments and value your coins up for you. Oh, a little bit of the winter cold. I'll give you a quick second at the end of the video to get your comments in. Best of luck in the game. Stay safe. And as always, thanks for watching.